How to use split screen mode on iPhone. iPhones don't officially support split screen like iPads or Android tablets, but there are workarounds you can use. So here's what you need to do. First of all, simply open the App Store, then in search address bar type down split screen dual window and download it to your device. Now let's just do that. And this is what an official split screen looks like. Make sure to download this. And once downloaded, all you have to do is tap on the open button available there and open the split screen on your device. Now, once in there, all you have to do is use this app. Now, you can use split screen easily. You can do multitasking, such as you can use YouTube on the first split and the Instagram on the second one. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.